Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have x to the power of 4 minus 16 divided by x minus 2 is equals to x cubed, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation. So I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. So we move towards the solution of this problem, and the very first thing we are going to do is first we rewrite this equation as you see here. This is x to the power of 4. We write it as x square and its whole square minus this is 16, and we write it as 4 square, and it is divided by x minus 2 is equals to x cubed. And further, in the next step, we use the nice algebraic formula to the numerator term of the left hand side. You know about that. If we have a square minus b square equals to a minus b times of a plus b. According to this formula, we write our numerator term of the left hand side as in this form. So this is x square minus 4 times of x square plus 4, and it is divided by x minus 2, and this whole equation is equals to x cubed. And now we again use this formula on this term. So this is x square minus 4, and we write this 4 as 2 square because we know about that this 4 equals to 2 square. So when we apply this formula on x square minus 2 square, so this will be written as x minus 2 times of x plus 2 into this is x square plus 4 divided by x minus 2 is equals to x cubed. And further we have this x minus 2 is cancelled out by this x minus 2, and we get the remaining values are x plus 2 times of x square plus 4, and this whole equation is equals to x cubed. And now we multiply both of these two terms, and here first we multiply this x on both of these two values, and it will becomes, when we multiply x with x square, it will becomes x cubed, plus when we multiply x with 4, it will becomes 4x, and now we multiply 2 with this x square, it will becomes 2 times x square, and we multiply 2 with 4, and it will becomes here 8, and we move this x cubed from right hand side to the left hand side, and this equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we need more simplification. This is positive x cube, this is negative x cube are cancelled out by each other, and we get the remaining values are this is 2 times of x square plus 4x plus this is 8, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So you see that each of these terms is divisible by 2. So we divide each of these terms by 2 on both of the sides. So we divide this term by 2, this term by 2, this term by 2, and this term by 2 as well. So this 2 and this 2 are cancelled out by each other, and we get here x square plus this is 2 times 2 becomes 4, and we get here 2x plus this is 2 times 4 becomes 8, we get here 4, and this whole equation is 0 divided by 2 becomes here 0. And now here in the next step you see that this is the quadratic equation, and here we use the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation. Now for this we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to 2, and c equals to 4. And we state the quadratic formula as x equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is our quadratic formula, and here we substitute all the values of a, b, and c in this formula, and it will be written as this is minus b, the value of b is 2, it will becomes here minus 2 plus minus square root of b square, b is 2 square minus 4 times of a is 1, and c is 4, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. And now in the next step we have x is equals to this is minus 2 plus minus square root of 2 square becomes 4 minus this is 4 times of 4 and divided by 2 times of 1 equals to 2. And here you see that it's inside the square root sign we have 4 be the common term, so we take common 4 from here and we get the remaining values are 1 minus 4 and it is divided by 2. So further we apply here the nice square root separately on 4 and 1 minus 4. So further we break this fraction and it will becomes minus 2 divided by 2 plus minus. You know about that the square root of 4 becomes 2 times of square root of 1 minus 4 becomes minus 3 and it is divided by 2. So these two and these two are cancelled out by each other and we get here our x is equals to minus 1 plus minus. These two and these two are also gone and you see here the negative sign appears inside the square root sign. So it will becomes here iota. So this is the other value. These are the two values of x, and you see here both of these two values are complex values. So this is the final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.